Hello friends, and welcome back for a regular dose of art and craft. Through our videos, we love to share ideas to bring out your creativity in the most simple way. So, if you want to add more creativity to your home, please go to our channel Craft Bunker and subscribe it and press the bell icon for all the new updates. So, in this video, we'll be making a gift box from the material available at home. For this, we'll be needing old plastic box, gold acrylic spray paint, golden lace, artificial flowers, leaves, hot glue gun. Keep the material ready before starting the DIY. Spread a newspaper on the table and then spray the box with gold acrylic color. You can use any color spray. Spray on all the sides and let it dry. After that, stick the lace on the box and then start sticking the flowers, leaves as shown. You can also stick small birds, curled ribbons and many more decorative items to make the box more beautiful. Here I have used an old box. We get nice MDF trays in the market. We can also use that and make gift boxes which are used during wedding, festival or different occasion. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please make it at home and do share your experience in the comment box. So, see you soon. Thank you.